I am John Pesta, and I'm going to inform you about nuclear energy. Nuclear energy provides you with things you use daily. Many people don't know this, but nuclear energy is actually responsible for a large fraction of electricity used in the United States. Today I'll be explaining three main things that nuclear energy is used in, which include agriculture, electricity, and medicine. Obviously, since I'm a high school student, I have no personal experience with nuclear energy, but I am interested in this field of engineering, and I have done my fair share of research. My main points include how nuclear energy is used in agriculture, how it is used in medicine, and how it is used for electricity. Nuclear energy is most commonly used for electricity and also has other uses that include medicine and agriculture. Nuclear energy is a form of energy released from the nucleus, the core of atoms made of protons and neutrons. This source of energy is most commonly used for electricity. Nuclear energy, surprisingly, is a big fraction of U.S. electricity. It is second in energy production, just behind fossil fuels. According to the many uses of technology, in 2021, the nuclear share of total U.S. electricity generating capacity was about 8%, while the nuclear share of total utility scale electricity generation was about 19%. Most people don't realize how much electricity that nuclear energy is responsible of because it's about a fifth. It's responsible for about a fifth of electricity in the United States. Now that we've discussed its use for electricity, let's move on to agriculture. While its biggest use is for power / electricity, there are many others, including agriculture. According to Nuclear Explained, nuclear technologies are playing a big role in the development of agricultural technologies, helping farming communities increase crop production, control pests and diseases, and improve water quality. I had no idea that it was used for agriculture. I thought it was just like for power / weapons, but it is actually used quite a bit. According to Nuclear Explained, we live in a world where food security can be greatly impacted by harvest failures and the consequential rising of food prices. The use of nuclear technology is a potential solution to these problems, and many of these solutions are currently being widely used in different agricultural contexts. This evidence shows that it can be a potential solution to harvest failures and the rise of food pricing. Now that we've discussed its use in agriculture, let's move on to medicine. Nuclear power is commonly used for medicine. Nuclear medicine uses radioactive material inside the body to see how organs and tissues are functioning for diagnosis or to target and destroy damaged or diseased organs or tissues for treatment. Some examples of things that could help eliminate would be hyperthyroidism, thyroid cancer, lymphoma, bone pain, and some cancers. According to Radiation in Healthcare, nuclear medicine can show how the organs or tissues are functioning. For most diagnostic procedures, a tracer, which contains the radioactive material, is injected, swallowed, or inhaled. This is when it is used for diagnosis, and it shows that it's capable of identifying medical problems within an organ or tissue. According to Radiation Healthcare, when it is used in treatment, the tracer targets a harmful organ or tissue, and radioactivity damages or stops the growth of cells. This is when it's used for treatment, and it shows how radioactivity can be used to find and target and stop the growth of harmful cells. Some examples of nuclear medicine would be most commonly a heart scan, but also an MRI, which is magnetic resonance imaging, and that's used to get clear images of problems within the body that you couldn't see otherwise without one. Dentists also use nuclear medicine for x-rays and the diagnosis of oral diseases. In conclusion, nuclear energy is very important and is used in various systems across the globe. These various systems include agriculture, medicine, and electricity, which we previously discussed. I explained how it was used in various ways and why it was important. I hope that my speech has taught you many new things about nuclear energy and its importance through various systems across the globe. While it is unlikely that any of you be interested in or work with nuclear energy, it is important to understand its importance or spark an interest in your future. Thank you for your time.